So, today was the day that I left Milwaukee to take a train back to Iowa, where I would spend the last week of my summer before Clark. I have a little math problem for you. A southbound train leaving Milwaukee heading for Chicago leaves at 11 in the morning. What time does Lauren get to Chicago? Answer, 12:30. Next question. A southbound train leaving Chicago bound for Iowa, which leaves at 2 p.m. When does Lauren get to Iowa? Answer, the next day. Okay, now I will explain what that means. So I took an Amtrak train from Milwaukee to Chicago, hour and a half, super easy peasy, no problem whatsoever. I had an hour and a half in Chicago between my first train when it arrived and when my second train left. And my friend Max lives in Chicago. And so I thought, hey, I'll let him know I'm in town, we can meet up for a super quick lunch near the Amtrak station, and then I'll be on my way. That's not what happened. What happened was, we had lunch, super easy peasy. I told him my train was at 2 o'clock and we were all, set to be there on time, and it's like 1:45 and we're about 15 minutes away from the station, and I look at my watch and I go, crap, my train leaves at 2. And Max goes, what? I thought you meant that we had to be at the station at 2. I thought your train was at 2:30. And I said, no, that's not, no. And so we run. We get to the Amtrak station at 1:55, and I'm like, yes, I can barely get onto my train. And I run down to the gates, and I brush off Max, and I don't even say goodbye. I just run to the states. I'm like, bye! And I get to the gates, and I don't know which gate to go to because there's a whole bunch of them, and I go up to the lady and I'm like, hey, lady, this is my ticket for a 2 o'clock train. Which gate do I go to? And she says, oh, no, you missed it. What? It's a 2 o'clock train. It leaves at 2. She says, oh, no, we close the gates 5 minutes before the train leaves. You can't get on. And it's like 1:56. I'm like, lady, come on, please, let me on the train. And she says, no. And there's no arguing with this lady, and so I accept my fate. I've missed my train, and I say to her, okay, well, I need to be rescheduled to catch another train to Iowa. When's the next train? And she types in her computer, 2 o'clock tomorrow. And that is why Lauren the Traveling Vlogger now finds herself in Chicago for an extra 24 hours longer than she anticipated, and why she is now in her lovely friend Max's apartment. But on the upside, hey, it's an adventure. Whee! And also there's whiskey. Anyway, that's all for this week. Miss you, love you, bye!